Now let's focus our attention on the theories of interdisciplinary studies. A theory is an explanation of something, of some event, of some human behavior. Theories contain explanations about how that thing works, what causes it, the consequences of it. These explanations contained within a theory have been tested and can be supported by data, evidence, research. Some theories are more complex than others, but most of them attempt to explain a very complex event. Complexity refers to the parts of an event that interact in surprising or unexpected ways. What this means is that the problem doesn't have a simple solution. If we choose option A, we may have to deal with negative consequences, but the same may be true for option B and C. It could also be that when we choose option A, it creates a new problem that has to be addressed. And with option B, an entirely different problem would emerge. The basic premise of interdisciplinary complexity theory is that interdisciplinary study is necessary, is required when a problem or a question is complex, when it's multifaceted, when it functions as a system. This theory recognizes that not all problems or questions require interdisciplinary study, but some do. Consider the definition of interdisciplinary studies: drawing on two or more disciplinary perspectives and integrating their insights. Complex problems have multiple parts, multiple facets, and each part is typically the focus of a particular discipline. This discipline focuses on this part, that discipline focuses on another part. When that same facet is studied by more than one discipline, psychology, sociology, business, criminal justice, anthropology, there are often conflicting insights. Understanding each one of these parts then involves drawing on those multiple insights, even when they conflict, and trying to understand which perspective or which parts of which perspective are an accurate representation of the problem. Two different disciplines may come up with two different explanations, which can be beneficial because each explanation may have some merit. Each explanation may provide a piece of the bigger puzzle. To summarize, interdisciplinary complexity theory says that when problems are complex, interdisciplinary study is necessary.